Now on ABC 24 News, meteorologist Chelsea Chandler with the Mid-South certified most accurate forecast.
All right, well, here again is the map for our winter storm watch. We have not been put under a warning yet, but I do anticipate that coming within the next several hours. Again, as these models continue to run, we've already had an update since the last half hour. So again, go ahead and plan if you live in these areas, specifically portions of West Tennessee. Go ahead and plan today because today is the day to plan. Tomorrow we'll be seeing rain. It's really going to be tomorrow night, but we do still have these two options, but one is definitely looking more likely at this point. So option one is for this low pressure system with this cold front to dip a little bit, go a little bit further north. And if it does, most of the activity will still be in our northern counties. So I still anticipate some snowfall, at least in our northern counties of Tennessee and Arkansas. But it does now look like option two is more likely, where this low pressure system dips further south and we get more of that activity across the entire area. So we now have been updated. Again, we talk about a winter storm. We talk about severe weather outlooks. When you see that change just in the half hour, it's been pretty drastic. So here's a look at the hour by hour. I just had a question as to why, since our temperatures are so high during the day, why is it such a big deal since we won't be so far below freezing? Well, we have this rain come through, and then very quickly we're going to see these temperatures drop drastically. So once we see this rain come through and we switch over from a mix to snow, it's going to be a heavy wet snow. So it is going to be able to freeze very quickly and solidify. So that's why we do expect these heavier bands to be able to drop and accumulate. So that's what we're going to be watching for as it heads into Sunday afternoon as well. So this is what has changed pretty significantly. So earlier it was only showing this level 3, that orange, again, which we usually see just with severe weather. They're using this now with winter weather. So you can see where level 2 is in yellow, a level 3 risk, so impact wise, in orange, and a level 1 for those outskirting areas. And that does include most of Shelby County. So let's take a look at why. This is the model that is mostly in line with that map, specifically showing anywhere from 4 to 8 inches in the dark blue areas, which includes portions of Shelby County. The other half of Shelby County, probably more up to about 2, maybe 3 inches at most. So again, as you see, it'll go a little bit further south, not seeing quite as much nor near Clarksdale, a trace maybe there, but again, most of us should prepare for 1 to 2 inches. Other areas up to possibly 8. I think 6 would be max, but again, significant winter weather. Here are some other models. So this just shows you they are starting to become a little bit more in line. Again, 4 to 8, 2 to 4, so 8 to 12 in Port Corinth in this model. The other model shows Port Dyersburg at 8 to 12 with some areas even possibly more. But again, these two I think are a little bit now kind of off base. So I'm looking at more the 2 to 4 range for the majority of us under that winter storm watch. So that's what we are going to be continuing to watch throughout the day. And I'll be continuing to bring you updates through my shift tonight as well and tomorrow, so that you're prepared for this. So again, we will see that rain switch over. Today, 54, cloudy and nice. Tonight, 41, most of us still above freezing. Tomorrow, 47, we'll see those temperatures dropping drastically, and when I say drastically, I mean fast. Bitter cold Wednesday. Martin Luther King Day, still cold, so it'll still be on the ground. Might melt Tuesday, but we have another winter weather threat potential on Thursday. Hooray. Let's talk about the roadways. I got